Okay.
Vijay, you can start.
Okay, ma'am. So welcome all back for this Python bootcamp. So I guess yesterday we have discussed about Tkinter, the new topic we have discussed yesterday. So I guess everyone is clear with the basics. So today we'll continue with the basics and also some of the very basic programs in Tkinter. So let's move on to the program. And the first session is going to first handled by me and then followed by Sasikumar and Danush. So yeah, we'll start the session. Okay, I guess you all can see a screen. Everybody can see, anybody can reply.
No, it's getting shared.
Okay, ma'am. Now we'll
Now it's visible.
okay. So yesterday till list box Sasikumar have explained, and today we'll just start with the other widget called other widget called spin box, which we are going to discuss today. So yeah, the same procedure what you have followed for list box, checkbox, and check button or radio button is like importing the module and creating a root window. Those procedures are same for all other widgets also. So here I'm just importing from tkinter import star, and from I'm creating a root window here like tk off. And again, I'm creating a frame because the frame is the one where all your widgets will get displayed. So just first I created a widget. I created a frame with a width and height and as a background color of white. And then I packed it with the module. So now here you can see the two different variable which I have declared as variable one is init_var and variable two is string_var. I'll say why I have initialized where one is init and why variable two in string in further procedure. So here this function which I'm going to call using this statement, you can see in spinbox2 I just call the command like display. You can see the function name is display. I'm calling it from the second spin box. So first, for creating the spin box, this syntax is like variable is equal to spin box of root comma options. Root is nothing but the root window, like the frame window. Frame is what you have created for placing your widget. So that window comma options. Options is nothing but the various options what you can proceed in the spin box. So you have the first option here. You can see I have packed this spin box with f. F is nothing but our frame. Then from 3 to 13, this is the values, like from it starts from and ends from 3 it's going to start and end value of 13. And here text variable is equal to var1, where this var1 is initialized as init_var. Init_var is nothing but an integer value. So in the box, what value you are going to get is in the type of integer. Data type is nothing but it's integer. So that I got the value as init_var. Init_var is nothing but integer value. And that value I'm going to get for first spin box. And the second spin box, same, I packed with my frame, and here the values are mango, grapes, apple, and papaya. Like here the values are from 13 to 3 to 13, and here I already initialized the value only just 4 values. I'm going to not in range, I'm going to give particular value. So that is nothing but mango, grapes, apple, and papaya. And the text variable called as variable 2. It is nothing but here I have initialized string variable. String variable is nothing but it's going to get the string values, like the apple, banana. These are all strings. These are all not numbers. These are all strings. So I have initialized a string variable. And again, it's the same thing. I have give the width of the particular spin box, and also the FG is nothing but foreground color. It is nothing but the color which is displayed by the like wordings, the wording color of the wordings. And here B, this button is going to do the function operations. Like we are creating a button. When you click that button, it will just go to this command, like command display. Command display is nothing but this function. This function is nothing but command display, which I have called. When I click the button, it's automatically go to this function and works what are all there inside the function. I already explained in function that without calling the function, it is waste. It is just display. It is just going to display on the screen without doing any work. Here I have called, it's called the function like display, so it just go here. Like, here I have initialized x is equal to var1 dot get off. You know what is var1? It's nothing but integer value, so which is initialized over here. Text variable is equal to var1. So if I click text variable as 3 to 13, the range is there. I want number 5. So if I click 5, x is going to take the value of 5 because it's getting the number. It's getting the variable what I have given in the text variable 1. And y is equal to var dot get off, var2 dot get off. So var2 is nothing but it's a string where it is stored in the second spin box. So if I click grapes, it's going to y is going to take the value of grapes. So the message will be here. This m1 and m2 is nothing but message, which is going to display on that frame. It is nothing but text is equal to x, and with what is text is equal to x means text get the value of x. X is nothing but the value which you have decided from the range of 3 to 13 in the var1. And the same text I have given for y also. Y is nothing but is string values what you get from these four: mango, grapes, banana, and apple. So this just m1 dot pack and m2 dot when I'm packing this particular widget with my root window. So the same thing packing here also done, like sp1 dot pack, like spin box 1 is packed, spin box 2 is packed, and button is also packed. So packing is very important in everything, because without packing, that particular line will not work in the root window. So if I run this program, you can able to see what this spin box, how the spin box will get displayed. Okay, you can see here. See, you can see this is from, I gave the first spring box is from 3 to 13. So you can see it starts in 3. When I click this button, it's go. Like so. Okay, I'll just enter the value 4. And here it's yeah, you can see it's moving like papaya, banana, apple, all the four things are over here. Okay, I'm giving 4 mango, then it's going to display us, see, 4 and mango. This message, this is displayed over here because of this message function which I have here. You can see message 1, m1 and m2. Text variable x, it is giving 4, and text variable y, which I clicked as mango, which I selected as mango, so it's giving me like mango. So this is the spin box method. So every widget have same same procedure, but only the thing is, like, here I have mentioned a spin box. In list box you will mention as list box, and some options will be different, and calling the function is also different in few. So like all the basics are mostly covered. The last topic which is going, which is layout management, and it will be handled by Sasikumar. So I hand over the session to Sasikumar. Sasikumar, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay, just a minute.
Good evening, all. Today it's about. My voice is clear or not?
Yes, Sasikmar, proceed.
Today it's about means I fitted table on the table. So I had to place it. It like that, like that, like another 3 layer. One is back layer another, and another one is place another, and last one is
Pooja, I think Sasikmar has left the meeting. He has network issue.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. I'll just continue with the doubt clarification session, then he'll join
Okay.
back.
Yeah.
Hello, Pooja.
Yes, Sasikumar.
Okay, sorry. I didn't get it. My screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible. You can continue.
Okay. First, I use the pack layout manager. I created two labels, L1 and L2. I give it text Sasi and East. I change the font. In this font, first you give font name. Okay, and then I you give font size, and I change the background and foreground color. Foreground color is a text color and background color is a background color. It's like BG and FG, and I packed that two labels. I remove that in this option. I run this program. It is a normal, like first Sasi have packed and second Sisti have packed. I changing the option in pack layout. Okay, I change the option like Sasi as side. It will placed on left side and Sisti as placed on right side. Using right option. Okay, and I run the program. Sasi is placed on left side and Sisti is placed on right side. Okay, okay, and I give fill option. What is fill option means? I run this program and I explain it. Fill X and fill. I give fill Y. Okay, I give fill X. And I run this program. Sorry. Okay. Okay. I give fill Y and fill Y. I run this program. I maximize this. So explain. Sasi is placed on left side and Sisti is placed on right side. It will fill Y axis fully because I give fill Y. Okay, in this place I give fill Y. I changed the side top and bottom and I give fill X top and bottom and I give fill X. I run this program. I maximize this. The Sasi will placed on top and 60 will placed on bottom. It will fully fill in X axis because I give in this option fill X and side Sasi top and side bottom. This is a basic pack layout manager. I go to the some advanced. Okay, my external padding means it is in this option I give paradox. I run the program and explain it. Okay. I created two label like label 1 and label 2. um, uh, First label some size small and second label is fully filled because I give in this place first label sorry okay, in this place I give paradox 50. In this label 2 I give paradox 0. Don't need to put paradox 0. It will automatically paradox 0. If you want to change the paradox means it is a external padding. uh, if you want to it's okay. If you want to um, uh, reduce the size of label 2 means in this label 2 I give paradox like 200 and I run the program. Okay, the label 2 is smaller than label 1. because label 1 products value only 50 and label 2 products value 200. So label 2 is bigger than label 1. Okay, the paradox is it is a external padding. You want to reduce the label size means this option is available in Tkinter. And going to the third program, like external padding in vertical direction, pad y. First I give pad x in this place I give pad y. Wait a minute, I fully erased. Okay. In this place I give pad y is 50. First I give fill y. Okay, so you can uh, easily understand fill y and fill y in the program. Okay. To left side is equal to right. But in the program y fill wait a minute guys. Okay, in this place label 1 and label 2 fill y axis, label 1 is left side and label 2 is right side. Okay, and I give pad y option. In this place I give pad y is pad pad y is 50. Okay, I give pad y is 50 and then in this place I give pad y is 100. I run this program. This place you send this is pad 100 and this pad 50. The pad y this is 50, so it is 50 pixel reduced to label 1, which is pad white 100, it is 100 pixel reduced in label 2. This is a way to reduce the size of the label, or else a button also this is working. Button and the list box is everything, widget and frame canvas is also working. The pack layout manager, fill side and pad x pad y. Okay, and then I give internal padding. Internal padding is I pad x and I pad y. I created two label. Okay. Okay, I run this program. I give I pad x is 0 and I in label 1 and I give label 2 I pad x 100. I run this program. Okay. In this syst ipad x, it's smallly extended, but sassy label 1 is no extended because I give I in the side packet it is a 0. I give 50 means this program it will smallly expand. I give 200 means it will quickly extend that then second label. Okay, this is the iPad X. The same like that iPad Y. iPad Y. It's not that like okay. I give iPad Y also. Check it. iPad Y stands for internal padding. This okay. This is iPad Y. I give in SASI label and 200. I give CC label 100. So it is CC label is less than SASI label. Okay, this is this is the iPad. This is the pack layout manager. Any doubts in pack layout manager? Kindly post in chat box. Otherwise, unmute and tell. No doubt means I go into the place layout manager. No doubts. Okay. And get to the place layout manager. What is place layout manager means in this place. Okay. I created two labels, label 1, label 2, and I give in this place I not put a pack. This is place. Yellow not place is equal to you give two axes like point like graph only. I give x10 and y50 and x10 and y100. I run this program and I check it. Okay, in this place it will place it on this is axis. Take into you take the axis like this is the this is x-axis and sorry, this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Okay, take into will take like that. It will place on 10 comma 50. So it will in this x-axis 10 comma 50 this point, and I give 10 comma 100. So it will place on bottom, like level 1 is bottom, so it will place on level 2. I change the axis and I change the label on x-axis. Label 1 and label 2 same x-axis, so same in the same manner. So I give x-axis in 100, so you will be understand the place layout manager. Okay, it is the label 2 smallly divided in the label 1. So the using place layout manager you give correct coordinates, it will place. Okay, this is a place layout manager, and I go to the grid layout manager. Okay, grid layout manager. Okay, I 1 minute guys. I keep clear. run this program and explain it. Root is not defined. 1 minute. This program. Okay. I zoom it 1 minute. Okay. In this place, I give 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this place I give one as table 1 dot grid of row 1 and column 1. This is a one. This is take place. It is a row 1 and row 1 and column 1. Screen is zoomed or not? It will blue. Blue. My voice audible or not?
Yeah, yes, it's human. It's audible.
Okay, screen is zoomed or not? Zooming
Yes,
or
it's human.
it is normally. Okay. I give one is row 1 and column 1, so it will place on first place. I give this is like a matrix only. Uh, you have learned matrix, so this is a row 1 and column 1. This is a row 1 and column 2. 2 is row 1 and column 2. 3 is row 2 column 1. 4 is row 2 column 2. Likewise, it give it will place like this. Okay. This is a pack layout manager. Okay, and I'm going to its sample one program. Okay, this is check the number is check the given number is even number or not. Okay, like that it is a sample tick in the program. I run this program and I check it. Run this program. It is like it's a even number or odd number. I enter the number. I give 5 minutes. I click check button. 5 is a odd number. Okay. Likewise is printing. Okay, I'm going to the test program. First, I import the ticket in the module. I create a root window is root is equal to tk off, and I change the title. Okay, title root window, and I created a label like it's not necessary. Okay, I going to do teach a description letter, and I will teach the um, uh, GUI first. I create a frame like frame uh, width is 500 and height is 500. I change the background like pink. The default background is white. If you want to change the background, is if you want to create if you want to put page is equal to uh, any color. As always, okay, you give color code also. Okay, and I packed the frame and I create the label like text take even number or or odd number, and I pack fill X and side top. Okay, and I give and I give the second label, enter the number, and I give the entry because I user want to type, so I give the entry and I pack the two items and I give the button for put a command. Okay, and this in this place I give command is equal to even and going to def statement. Okay, this is a way to get the I, I, I entry. Okay, okay, this is the way to get the entry from user. I I assign entry in E1, so I this is a function for getting the entry A1 dot get out. I getting on the integer, so I give int in front. Okay, int of A1 dot get means it will getting the value in integer only. Okay, if you okay, if you type it in word it will get error, but in this place if you put the try and accept like exception handling, it will not error, only print the message only. Okay, and getting the value and going to the a variable, and I checked the a percentage 2 is equal to what is percentage means it will it will return the remainder value. Okay, like 5 percentage 2 means it will return the 1 because 5 divided by 2 it is remainder 1 and quotient 2. Okay, likewise if I put in the entry 5, it will check 5 percentage 2, 5 percentage remainder 1, but I give the, 0, so this condition false. So directly go to the I, else part, and print the value. Print the label is equal to in this label placed on frame, so I give frame in this place, and I give text in this place. In this text, if you put string is must, because I get the integer value. If you want to print the integer value in the label, the must to convert in a string. So I give str is equal to, and I give the change the number into string, and plus for concatenation of string. If like that 2 plus 2 means 4. If I want to string sasi, and plus string system means it will it will not error, just adding the 2 strings only. So this is a string concatenation, and I give font and font size, and I change the background and foreground also, like that. If you want to means you put background in this label. 2 is must only. First one is where to place the label, like I want to place the label in frame, so I give frame, and I give text. It is a must in label, and the font background foreground is only absent. If you want put if you not want don't put. Okay, if you if I give in the entry like 4 means 4 percentage 2, it will return 0, so the current number is a even number. Otherwise I give 5 or 7, 7 means it will return 1. So this is the on number the label will created. Okay, last I run the program. In this program any doubts means please ask. 4, I give check, this is even number. I give 7 and check 7 is the odd number, and 10 10 I give check, this is 10 is a even number. If I put any word any word here in this in this interrupter, it will error, because string is not convert to Okay, a string is not converted to integer. If I want to like I give sasi in string, if I want to convert to integer means it will error. It is a value error. Like that, its place is a value error. Okay, value error. Invalid for int. I give try and except. Exception handling means it will no error. It will uh, print just a message only. Okay. Any doubt in this program, please tell. Otherwise, I give it to second program. Tanush, are you have some programs or I will I will continue. If you, Tanush, Tanush, I I give to second sample program. 1 minute. Okay, check even number. Check word eligibility. Like a same way, check I even number. Like that way, I give the sample one. 1 minute. I run this program and explain it. This interface. I give Sasi age is 19 and check on my expansion. Sasi age is 19, eligible for what it will print. It will show. Okay, how it will show means explain. Explain support eligibility. Same like that. I give label entry. I only explain the def set only. Okay, and like that I get the entry in the it will the two entry are available. One is for name, one is for age, and I get the two entry. Like first one, first one I only give e1 dot get off only, because the default one is it will get string only. If you want to convert the integer, it will you, you put integer. Okay, I get the two integer, and if b greater than or is equal to 18, it is greater than or is equal to 18 means the greater than 18 is eligible for what, right? So I give this condition. If I typed 17 means the condition will be false, so it directly go to the else part only. Okay, this is a sample program for check code eligibility. Okay, any doubts in the program is please ask. Wait, guys. I put a QR code generated using tkinter. If you want to install a QR code option, QR module, directly go to CMD and type pip install QR code, and I import the module tkinter import star, and I import the QR code, and I put the OS for opening a photo file. Okay, and I create a label like that. like name, name, age, and gender and blood group, and button. Okay, this is the def statement for creating the QR code. I in this place I get the 4 values from the entry, and make a QR code. Okay, and I run this program and explain it. Okay, in this place I give name like Sasi. Uh, Age is 19. So in this box I give 19. I am a male or female is asking. I am male, so I give male. In this place blood group I give B positive. So B, and I uh, I click the create QR code means okay, sorry, no such effect directory. I change the path of the saving part. 1 minute case. Minute. I give like this place. Okay. I give name is qr.png. In this, okay, start file, same like that. I run this program. I give name. See, age is 5 and male, and I give B negative, and I give create QR code. Okay, it will open the QR code in this data. Okay, anyone scan and okay, anyone scan this picture and tell what is the output of the picture. Go to Google Lens and scan. I also scanning the in mobile Google Lens.
Tap shutter button to search.
Okay, it will show the my name and age, gender, blood group. Okay. Okay. And doing next program, find out okay, I get four values from the I entry. I 4 values from the entry, and I image is equal to QR make function is used for the make that QR code. Okay, in this place I give name is equal to entry dot get off. In this the name will be shown in the entry, and like that age and the gender it will go to the text and make the QR code, and the image saved on this directory, and OS it was starting the file like opening file. Okay, OS means it will open the file. Okay, it using OS file. You want to start any edit. What is OS model? If you want to create a new folder in this folder in this path, if you want in part to under using OS module, you okay. Uh, this is use of OS module. Okay. guys. This is a QR code. Right. Speed test. This is the some more time. This is a way to if you want to find the speed of internet speed test on your computer, okay, I put the model speed test module. The speed test module install speed test means it automatically installed in CMD. Tester and I give the if you want to find it speed means speed is equal to speed test. Okay, I put speed test as SC. SC. Okay, so I give uh, it's the starter. If you want to find the download speed means download is equal to speed dot download of it. Find the download speed of your uh, computer and okay, sorry guys, my network is lost because no current in my home. My voice is audible now. Please anyone answer.
Yes, it's audible, so you can.
This is a way to find the download speed. Why I put this like means it will show only the bytes only. Bytes means you, you, you know GP means GP and 1 GB means 1 lakh KB. Okay, and it will take, okay, one page 1 lakh KB and 100 bytes is 1 KB, okay, and 1000 bytes is 1 KB. Like that, uh, I put it here. Uh, I, in this place, yeah, I give one in MP. Yeah, yeah, I, I find the upload speed. Upload speed. Okay, one I give the like it's it will bring the it will show 1.2233 like that. Okay, but I want only in this point after 2 only. So I give this like in this bracket I give one semicolon dot I want full value. Format download speed. Format download speed like two decimal value only. And I get a label and print it. I run this program. Sorry. Okay, guys. Network is lost. Okay. Okay. No such a file directory. Why? 1 minute, guys. This is the last program. Okay. Consider correct. Test image. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Okay. It will show tick button. I will click the tick button. It will load for like 2 more minutes. For 40 minutes or 1 minute like that. Wait for it will show the upload speed and download speed. Okay, it will taking if you want to. Okay, if you go to the Google and search speed testament, it will loading like 4 or 5 seconds, and to download second is 0.10 mbps and upload speed is 3.84 mbps. Okay, it will show the download speed and upload speed. This is the way to find the intended speed of your computer. Okay. Okay. uh, if any doubt in this previous program, okay, please ask. Otherwise, going to the interactive session quiz. No doubts. Okay, I hand over the session to Pooja. Pooja, are you there?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Sigma, do you have quiz session today? Sigma,
Yeah.
do you have quiz session today?
Yeah.
Okay,
Here
continue
Pooja
with the
has
quiz. Okay.
here Pooja. Share your screen.
Miss
Okay.
Pooja?
Yes, ma'am. So like I'll post the questions in chat box, like what the questions in chat box, and with option you just reply with which option is correct. Okay, I'll just post the questions. Okay, the first question is posted. You can answer. You can answer like option number 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct way to draw a line in a canvas Tkinter. It's just line off or canvas dot create underscore line off, cr line off, or none of the above. And you can answer now. Okay. Option 2. Renuka have given us option 2. Canvas dot create underscore line. So anybody yet to answer? Okay. Dinesh have answered 2. Venkat Chaudhary answered 2. Kokila answered. Okay. Yeah. Everybody have answered the option 2. Yeah, it's correct. Like how to create a line in a canvas, like canvas dot create underscore line. Create underscore line is the form syntax for creating line, and you're just packing it with canvas, so it is canvas dot create underscore line. So we'll move on to the second question. Okay, creating line or come in which type of thing, like frame, canvas, both of the above, or none of the above. You said creating how to create a line, but creating line comes under which one, frame or canvas, or you can create in both. Okay, Dinesh answered as option 2, canvas. Okay, Hajit have answered as option 3, both of the above. Okay, Amuda again 2, Kokila again 2, Lakshmi is answered also 2. Any answers like option 1 and option 4, or same 2 and 3? Anyone? Okay, yeah, the correct answer is option 2. You can create line only using the canvas, and a canvas is a container where you can create all the shapes like line, rectangles, ovals, and also like text. You can add text, and you can insert an image. So all these things are used by canvas. So yeah, we move on to the next question. FG in Tkinter widget, it stands for. Today I explained what is FG. So it is foreground or background or for gap or none of the above. Okay, Renuka answers option 1, foreground. Okay, Lakshmi has answered. Hamjit also 1, option 1, foreground. Dinesh also option 1. Venkata Chaudhary also answered 1. Sarathi 1. Kokila also 1. Okay, yeah. Option 1 is correct. It's a foreground color. Foreground is nothing but the color of the text which appears on the screen. So BG means it's background color, and FG means it's a foreground color, which is the text color of the text what you have given. We'll move on to the next question. So GUI stands for graph use interaction, global user interaction, graphical user interface, or graphical user interaction. Renuka has option 3, graphical user interface. Okay. Narmada also option 3. Lakshmi also option 3. Amuda, Hamjit, Kokila answer 3. Sarathi answer 3. Okay. Any other answers? Okay. Yeah, it's correct. It's option 3. GUI stands for graphical user interface. So yeah, any other doubt you have on basics of the stick inter? Because tomorrow, like, we are going to use we're going to use this basics in the programs, which is going to be very useful and very interesting also. So if you are clear with this basic concepts, you can understand the programs easily. So if you have any doubt, you can ask us now. We are here to help you out. So even you can ask in WhatsApp, or else you can unmute and tell now what is the doubt. You can chat also.
Yeah, Pooja, you can share feedback link.
Okay.
Yeah, in today's session, you have learned about the T-Kinder basics. Okay. In previous session also, we have taught those T-Kinder basics. This is a continuation of those T-Kinder basic. We have completed T-Kinder. In tomorrow's session, we are going to see about programs related with the Tkinder. Okay, for example, we are going to make a program by using Tkinder like age calculator, digital clock, recap shop, some billing softwares, okay, and calculator, calendar, even a menu bar, even we can generate ID card with this Tkinder module. Okay, in tomorrow's session, we are going to see these two types of programs. Okay, and day after tomorrow is a gaming session. Actually, Friday is a gaming session. We are going to teach a gaming related Python. So how can we create games with the Python? Okay, this session we are going to discuss and we are going to show the programs in Friday session. Friday. Okay. Uh, from Saturday, I think 12, 13, 14, we are going to learn about machine learning, FB analyst, and Arduino programs and ethical hacking. So we'll be completing those topics in those 3 days. Okay. I hope you like this session. The participants, once fill this feedback link, you can leave it. If you have any doubt, you can DM me in WhatsApp also. So many of them ask in WhatsApp about how to install something. So they have been asked about how to open this, share this file like that. Many have been DMing. So congratulations to all. So those who have any doubt, you can text me now or you can text me in WhatsApp. So once you have filled this feedback in, you can leave everything. Thank you.
All of you, please fill the feedback form. See, this is your 9th day of the program. Totally, we have 15 days. Okay. Next Wednesday, our program gets over. So kindly, means hereafter, you'll be having very interesting programs like games and other things you're having. So please try to join by 5:30 sharp. If you fill the feedback form, you can leave the meeting. Pooja, have you got the responses? Just check the response.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got it. You can end the meeting.
Yeah. Yes, thank you all.